All right.
Anthony, I wanted to
Yes.
add to the Google business, also uploading pictures. So like random pictures of houses that really helps bump you to the top of the search. So I get calls all the time, people
Yes.
looking for realtors in Norcross. And a lot of it is my Google business reviews, but also because I post a bunch of pictures.
Yes, absolutely. Yeah. I mean, this is not my meeting. This is for everybody. So if you got any other ideas on what I said, chime in. Anybody else have any other ideas about this? Remember, this is for you guys. Okay. So you guys, I'm doing this. I have no choice. My mentor taught me how to do this. And this is you want to make six figures, get $1 million a week in free business. Simple as that. That's what is that? That's 3% off $1 million. That's $30,000. That's $3 million worth of production. You be at six figures for the most part. In our system, we getting 4, so that's 120, right? So all you need is $3 million worth of business, but you have to be intentional about getting it. Okay.